Number 38. Our marshals are ready. The drivers are ready. We're going racing down to the start time. Modified 12 scale race number 38 on the track, 2:45 in the afternoon. We've got about 10 more races to go. So enjoy the rest of your race program out here for our inaugural West Coast Indoor Championships. Watching some of the fastest drivers out there right now. Jacob Cruz coming across the start finish line. Race leader followed by Ty. We're not Brandon Clements. Guest driving out there. Clements in the 3 spot here. All with Kevin Jones. All right, Todd across the start finish line, 11.8. Jacob Cruz in the second spot, 12.2. Stuart Mason in third, 12.9. All by Kevin Jones. Jones across the start finish line, 13.2. 1:15 in and 6:45 left to go. Got 1:15 in, 6:45 left to go.
Come on, Stuart beat us enough. Get his dad. Next time, daughter. Hey, thank you. Hey, dude. That's one of them.
Straight, guys, go high on the straight. Caution on the straight, hammer clear. Todd out in front, Jacob in second, Stewart in third. Should be Clements. Jacob in second, Brandon in third. Three down and 2 go, then 3 down and 5 to go. Todd Mason out in front and Jacob Cruz in second. Our third place driver is Brandon. All right, guys, we got 4 down and 4 to go. Race number 39 is coming up next. VTA 83. Todd Mason out in front. The pink and blue coming across the start finish line here. All right, good question right there. So we were looking at the double B main event results. You can view them on Live RC. So Seth had a good question about tiebreakers. It's all in there, guys, so you can see how you did. If you're looking at a tiebreaker, you're looking over on the right-hand side. But the double B main event results are being published since we're done with all of our B main events. You guys can look on Live RC if you have a question. You can come up to me and I can help figure out what position you finished in. We do have first, second, and third plaques for the lower, which is for the B main events. So unfortunately, we don't have anything for C main events, but we did make plaques for the B main events. Take a look and stick around if you finish in the top 3 with your final points results in the doubles. All right, we're looking at triple main events here, and our winner is out there turn marshally. So Stuart Mason watching. Proud, he's got 2 cards out there. So I watch this kid play soccer. All right, and his dad out there. Gosh, I mean, there's only 1 card. You should be proud of Kevin. I mean, look at all these guys. Kevin Jones is off the track. Unfortunately, a good effort by Kevin. Like I said, running with the big guys. This is crazy. When you watch these cars go around the track, it's nuts. We got a lead battle here, folks. Oh, come on. Why isn't Jones filming now? Lead battle down the back stretch. Todd and Jacob. Old school versus new school. Pink and blue versus the orange. Are they calling for the Bruno? Come to that. 1 minute and 40 seconds left to go. Sometimes you just gotta gamble. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go down at the end of the that was a good pass. I'm telling you, Jacob Cruz got faster and faster every single round in 12 scale today. The orange car down the back stretch. Over time, Mason with pink and blue, and our third place driver, Brandon down the back stretch. Clements in the red ride. Just getting some fun extra track time out here. 1 minute left to go, guys. Get ready for VTA, guys. We only have 4 drivers in this race. We're going to be looking for a couple volunteer quarter marshals just before 3 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. So we can get a couple volunteers out to the track. That'll be very helpful to keep the program moving here. Cruz out in front. Mason in second. 2.0 the gap. Orange car lead the way with 35 seconds left to go. Jacob Cruz. The orange car looks like Jacob. I'm going to finish second in points in this one. I'm just guessing. And I'm also predicting that Jacob's going to finish second in the Monte C points. So good effort here by Jacob. It's been a while since he raced carpet. He started on carpet, actually, back in the TQRC Raceway days. He mainly raced on asphalt the last couple of years, so getting back to his roots. Saved by the bell, Jacob Cruz, you're done with the win. Todd Mason, you're done with second. And Clements, you're done with third. Bring that shuttle down. That's going to do it, guys. We need a couple volunteer corner marshals. If you can spare a couple extra minutes.